Hi my lovely people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gladly going to show you how to make a one pot tomato stew. It was so tasty and so delicious. We are not going to be doing any frying here. One pot stew simply means adding all your ingredients in one pot, cover and let cook. If you're allergic to fried stew, then this will be a great option or alternative for you. Let's get cooking. So here I've got 3 bell peppers, 1 scotch bonnet pepper, 2 tin tomatoes, 1 bottle tomato and 1 onion. Alright, I've added all my peppers and my tomatoes into a blender and I'm going to blend this until it is very smooth. I'm not going to be adding water to this because my tin tomatoes already have water in it. If you want, you can use fresh tomatoes. I've made this stew before with fresh tomatoes and it turned out perfect. Trust me guys, it was so perfect. So I don't have fresh tomatoes at the moment, so I decided to use the tin and the bottle tomato, which actually turned out perfect as well. So first thing we are going to do after blending the peppers and the tomatoes, we're going to set that aside and then add the meat into your cooking pot. You can use any meat of your choice. I'm using turkey and the kidney. All right, so after adding it, I added about a teaspoon of meat seasoning, a teaspoon of garlic powder, about a teaspoon of thyme, and now I'm adding my seasoning cubes. You can use any seasoning cube of your choice. I'm using Knorr chicken seasoning cubes. And then I'm going to be adding my bay leaf, just 1 bay leaf, and I've already washed it. Like I always say, make sure you wash your bay leaves. All right, don't ask me why, but wash it. So we are going to add some salt, add a tablespoon of paprika powder. Just add salt according to your taste. All right, I'm going to also add about a 1/4 of a tablespoon of nutmeg, a teaspoon of curry powder. So after adding all the seasonings, the spices, we are going to add the blended tomatoes and the peppers. Then add some water into your blender and your tins. Just rinse it out and pour into your pot. We are not wasting anything here. Now we are going to thoroughly mix everything together until they are well combined. All right, after adding all of those, we are going to add about 1 cooking spoon of vegetable oil, and we are going to gently stir that. Then we are going to cover the pot and allow this to cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. So after about 25 minutes of cooking this, you know, depending on the quantity of meat you're using, I mean depending on the type of meat you're using, you can cook this for about 30 minutes. All right, so I cooked mine for about 20 to 25 minutes, and then I tasted for salt or more seasoning to see if I should add more, but what I needed to add is just salt. So I went ahead and added some salt, and you guys know me now, I like to garnish my food, so I added some diced carrots, some sliced onions and some green peas just to give it a little bit of color, add more freshness to the stew. And I covered it, let it steam for additional 5 minutes, and guys, voila, my stew is ready. Look at that stew with the rice. It was so good, it was so amazing. You guys should try this and let me know what you think about it. If you taste this too, you will not even notice any sweet or sour taste from the tomatoes and the peppers. Honestly, trust me, you need to give this a try. Thank you so much for watching my videos, guys. Stay tuned for more awesome videos. If you like this video, don't forget to click on the like button. If you're new to my channel, please click on the red subscribe button below and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my latest upload.